Hello. I want to talk about something that grows really well in Arizona, and that's honeydew. And as you can see behind me, there's a bunch of honeydew vines and lots of little honeydews. A couple big ones that I'll show you in a minute. But I'm really impressed with how well it grew. I tried growing watermelon and it grew okay. I got a couple, but not nearly as many honeydew. So I don't know if it was just luck or where I planted it or whether it was on a north-facing wall and that made a difference. I'm not sure. But here we go. Here, buddy, go your home. Does not want to let go. There you go. Find something to eat out here. So the vine starts back there by my grapevines. This is an orange tree. Those two things sticking up are grapevines. All these vines right here, this is all honeydew. It's kind of taken over down here. And I have a lot of weeds back here, which I don't mind because this was all clay sand a year ago. And so all this is going to be biomass that's going to enrich the soil. And so I'm super proud of that. A rose bush right here. There's my lantanas. I've made way too many videos about lantanas, but I can't really help myself, they're so pretty. Anyway, this isn't about lantanas, this is about honeydew. So this one's pretty big. I think it's about ready, but I think it's a little bit too green. This is my first time growing honeydew, but I'm pretty sure you want it to have a slightly more yellowish color. It's a little bit too green on the outside to be completely ripe, and I don't want to waste it. And these flowers are everywhere. Most of these are male flowers. Let me see if I can point out what a female flower looks like, just in case you don't know. See, that's what a male flower looks like. Male flower. Oop. See this one right here, where my pointer finger is? That's a female flower. You can tell because it has that bulb on the end of it. It's not nearly developed though. It'll actually get a little bit bigger than that while it's still unfertilized. It'll be. Love these guys. Yeah, my lantanas invite bees from miles away, and they come marching in and pollinate everything. Anyway, I don't want to stomp on the vines. There's a lot of little ones. Let's see if I can see another one without breaking anything. I'm not sure how fragile these vines are. They don't look that thick. Oh, here's another one. Just don't want to smash anything. Oh, there's another little one. See if I can get a little closer. See, it looks like a pear almost. Anyway, the honeydew vines kind of took over in here. I think that's actually those leaves that look slightly different over there. I believe that is yellow squash or zucchini. I pulled a couple yellow squash and a couple zucchini over there. But I think the honeydews have started blotting out the sun, and they came up more recently. I planted probably, I don't know, 10 or 15 seeds from an actual cantaloupe that I bought from the store, dried them out, stuck them in the ground, and for some reason they took forever to come up. Like the pumpkins literally started growing the same week, and 2 months later, finally I have the honeydews just going nuts, and they're kind of taking over. That used to be a compost pile back there. That's just an old container I don't really use anymore, but those honeydew vines are just going everywhere. So it looks like I'm gonna have tons of honeydews. Super excited because that's my favorite. It's my favorite melon. All right, anyway, video's getting long, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. But look at all those flowers. Oh yeah, I'm gonna look for a more developed female flower. That's what I was gonna do. Lots of male flowers. there's one that's underdeveloped right here. Get my camera to focus on it. Oh, here's another one. Anyway, you get the idea.